Hey there! Have you ever stood at the bottom of a staircase, maybe heading up to your bedroom or down to the basement, and thought, wow, this feels harder than it used to? You're not alone. I've heard that from so many folks over 60, heck, even over 50, who just want to feel steady and strong again. Maybe it's a little wobble in your step, or maybe your legs just don't have that pep they used to. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to stay that way. Stairs don't have to feel like a mountain, and you don't need a gym membership or hours of your day to make it better. Today, I'm going to walk you through something simple, 3 easy exercises that can get you gliding up those steps with confidence. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll feel ready to take on any staircase life throws at you. Now let's start with the first thing your legs need: strength in the right places. Think about the last time you climbed stairs. It's not just about willpower. It's about the muscles in your thighs and backside doing the heavy lifting. One of the best ways to wake those muscles up is with something I call the chair stand. Picture this. You're sitting on your favorite kitchen chair, feet flat on the floor, hands resting on your lap. Now lean forward just a bit, push through your heels, and stand up nice and slow. Then sit back down the same way.
That's it.
It's like giving your legs a little pep talk every time you do it. I knew a lady named Carol, 68 years young, who started doing this while watching her evening shows. A few weeks later, she told me she was bounding up her porch steps like she was 40 again. Start with 5 or 10 of these a day, whatever feels good, and build from there. You'll be amazed how much stronger you feel. But strength isn't the only piece of the puzzle. You've got to keep those legs moving smoothly, right? That's where a little stretch comes in. Imagine your calves as the unsung heroes of stair climbing. They push you up every step. If they're tight, it's like trying to run with a rubber band that's too short. So here's what you do. Stand facing a wall, hands pressing against it like you're about to tell it a secret. Step 1 foot back, keep that leg straight, and bend the front knee a little. You'll feel a gentle pull in that back calf. Hold it for about 20 seconds, then switch sides. I do this myself after a long day. It's like a mini vacation for my legs. One of my buddies, Jim, swore this helped him tackle the stairs at his grandson's school without huffing and puffing. It's simple, but it works wonders. Let's keep that energy going as we move into what's next. So we've got strength and flexibility in the mix, but there's one more thing that ties it all together: balance. You know that moment when you're halfway up the stairs and you feel a tiny sway? That's your balance saying, hey, give me a hand here. The good news is you can train it just like you train a puppy to sit. One of the easiest ways is something I call the one-leg stand. Picture yourself standing near your kitchen counter just in case you need a little support. Lift 1 foot off the ground, just a few inches, and hold it there. Start with 5 seconds if that's what feels right. Then work your way up to 15 or 20. Switch sides and do it again. It's like teaching your body to trust itself. My neighbor Sue, who's 72, started doing this while brushing her teeth. She told me she feels like a flamingo now, steady and proud, and those stairs to her attic don't scare her anymore. Now let's tie this into something real. Think about why you want to climb stairs easily. Maybe it's getting up to tuck in your grandkids, or maybe it's just grabbing something from upstairs without a second thought. Whatever it is, these little moves, standing from a chair, stretching your calves, balancing on one leg, they're like keys to that freedom. And the best part, you can do them anywhere, anytime. No fancy equipment, no big-time commitment. Just you, a few minutes, and a little determination. I've seen people light up when they realize how small steps can lead to big wins. Let's keep building on that as we wrap this up. All right, let's bring it all home. You've got the tools now: strength from those chair stands, flexibility from the calf stretch, and balance from standing on one leg. But here's the secret sauce: consistency. It's not about doing 100 of these tomorrow and calling it a day. It's about weaving them into your life, like a habit as natural as sipping your morning coffee. Maybe you do your chair stands during a commercial break, stretch while dinner's in the oven, and practice balance while you're waiting for the kettle to boil. Start small, 5 minutes a day, and watch how it grows. I met a guy named Tom who started this at 65, just wanting to keep up with his dog on the stairs. A month later, he was racing that pup to the top and winning. You don't have to feel stuck or shaky anymore. Those stairs, they're not the boss of you, you're the boss of them. And you've got everything you need right now to make it happen. So take that first step literally and figuratively. Try these out today, even just once, and see how it feels. I'd love to hear how it goes for you. Drop a comment below and tell me about your stairs, your wins, or even your favorite chair to stand from. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know to keep sharing stuff like this. And hey, if you want more tips to feel strong and steady, hit that subscribe button. I'm here for it. You're not just climbing stairs, you're climbing back to the you that feels unstoppable. Age is just a number, and you've got the power to prove it. Keep shining, keep moving, and I'll see you in the next one.